I'm so excited. Can you guess what I have in my hands? Yes, you guessed it right. These are the book parcels which arrived from Amazon today. These were my Diwali gifts from my mom. I already know the books, but the excitement of unwrapping them is on a different level. So let's begin with the thinnest parcel. I'll open it quickly. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a little bent. It's the book Making of the Top Cop by Kiran Bedi. I know this author. All I know is that she's an inspirational woman and my mom wanted me to read this book. It's a graphic novel. So I'm gonna read it. Let's move on to the second parcel. I guess this parcel has 2 books because it's a little thick. So let's see. Yee! Why isn't this opening? Oh, it opened. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, this is too thick. Finally. Oh, it's only 1 book. Scarlet and Ivy. My God, I wanted this series forever. Like since forever. I had the first book and I fell in love with it. So my mom ordered the whole series for me. So the 3rd book has come. Oh my gosh, thank you, Mom. Lovely. Oh, and there's a bookmark. Wow, we love books. It's time for the last parcel of the day. Okay, let's just open it. Come on, open. Quickly, please. Yes! Okay, first of all, there are 2 bookmarks, the same bookmarks. And 2 books. One of them is Future Friend by David Baddiel. It's like the newest book of David Baddiel, and I'm gonna review this book as soon as I read it. Okay, the last book. Oh, what a pleasant surprise! I didn't know that this book was coming. It's Tharurosaurus by Shashi Tharoor. All I know about Shashi Tharoor is that he's a politician and a writer, and this book was recently published. And I'm gonna try this book very soon. Another set of parcels have arrived. I'm just too excited to say anything. So let's just begin. These scissors are blunt. Oh yes, they have opened. Let's see which book it is. Why does it have to be bubble wrapped? Oh. Yes! It is Scarlet and Ivy book 2. My God, I have wanted this. I read the first book a long time back and I loved it. I ordered the whole series and the 3rd book arrived. I was eagerly waiting for the 2nd book so that I can read it, and it has arrived. Yes! Is there a bookmark inside? No, but that's okay. Time for the next parcel. Let's begin. Okay. Oh, come on, scissors. You can do it. Yes, 2 books. Scarlet and Ivy books. The 5th book and the 4th book. Oh my gosh, no bookmark, but that's okay. Oh my God, so So these are the 3 books I got and I'm so happy. Another book parcel. Let me find out what it is. Come on, scissors, only a little bit more. Oh yes! It is Codenamed Bananas by David Walliams. His latest book. Oh my gosh. Smells amazing. I am going to review this book as soon as possible, as soon as I can. So another parcel has arrived. It is Scarlet and Ivy's 6th book, the last one, and it took more than 2 weeks to arrive. I have been waiting for a very, very long time. So let's just open it up. Scissors. Come on. This isn't opening. Oh, why? Whoa. Quickly, yes. What is it? It is wrapped in some kind of yellow paper. Oh God! Just open it. Why don't you open? You're so stubborn. Finally. Oh. Oh, still not? Oh yes. So it's wrapped in this yellow paper. I'm gonna open it up. Nice packaging. Oh yes! It is Scarlet and Ivy's 6th book. Scarlet and Ivy, the 6th book, The Last Secret. Oh my God, thank you so much. So this is the last parcel. I don't know which book it is. I have totally lost count. So let me surprise myself. Start snipping. Okay. Few more snips. What is it? Oh, of course. I almost forgot. Oh, why aren't you opening? It is Diary of a Wimpy Kid's latest book. The 15th book, if I'm not mistaken. The Deep End. I have read all the Diary of a Wimpy Kid books, and when I got to know that this has been published, then I knew I had to buy it. Okay, it looks cool.